Hello everyone, today I'm back with another video and today we will talk about medical waste management. So biomedical waste management is very important in the clinical areas because we need to know two things like what is the segregation and what are the protocol of segregating the waste. Okay, talk about very first the waste. Type of waste which we are going to talk about is the kitchen waste. Okay, as everybody is at home and seeing here, and second one is the hospital waste. Okay, now the waste which is collected at home site we generally put into two boxes. Okay, so let me create one bucket. So this is one bucket and this is another bucket. Let's put the one bucket we are using, that is green in color. Okay, the second one which we are using is the blue color bucket. Okay, so these two colors bucket we are using in the our homes. Okay, so let's label them how we are using and what color we are putting it. So the very first is the green one is used for the wet waste, whereas the blue one is used for the dry waste. Okay, now what type of wet waste is available? Wet waste is like your kitchen food items like vegetables, etc. Okay, the leftover foods, whereas the dry waste include your wrappers. Okay, then your plastics. Okay, then your bottles. So whatever is coming out from home which is in dry form, that will be used in the blue. So let's used for wet waste and this one is used for the dry waste. Okay, so this is we have talked about the waste management at the home site. Let's talk about the very important is the hospital sites. So the hospital waste is again divided into these many buckets: 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Let me write their names first. The very first we are going to use is the yellow bin. Then we are going to use your red bin. Then we are going to use the blue bin. Next one is the sharp container. For that we are using white, okay, or sharp container. And the last one, which is mostly kept in the bedside of the patients, okay, is the black color, the black bin. Let me fastly color them. This has come because of the COVID-19 situation. The pandemic has created a change because the PPE, that is your personal protective equipment. So let's see what is there in the yellow bin. So in yellow bin we will put all anatomical waste. Let me highlight human organs, like any tissue is taken out, any organ is removed, a body part or fetus, dead fetus, we will putting into in the yellow bin. The mask, okay, then we have a cap, then we have a gown. Okay, so this is what we are putting in the yellow bin. All the dressing we are putting into it. Okay, then bandages also we are putting into it. Then we have a soiled plasters which we are putting into it. And also the very important is the blood containing residuals. This is very important part. So this blood containing residuals also we are using it. Let me first, this is what we are putting in the anatomical waste. The red bin. Now we will go for the red bin. In red bin we will put all the contaminated only the plastic material. So let contaminated plastic waste. Okay, so in this we are putting the IV tubings, then we are putting catheters, then we are putting some drains, importantly shoe covers, okay, your gloves, very important. And one thing over here I want to write that we are putting a coverall also here, that is your gown. Okay, so here this is what I am bringing it here. In the blue one, what we do, we will use the glassware, okay, but unbroken one. Okay, so all the glassware will be put into this, like glass, even unbroken and broken also. Okay, so this we will be putting into the blue one. And then we have a black one, sorry, before that, sharp container. So in sharp container what happened, we are putting all the needles, we are putting scalpel blades, we are putting suture needles. So these are the sharp items which we are putting into it. Now, so let me take to you the black bin. Now black bin, why I mentioned it is that this is according to the WHO, what we have talked about by this 4 bins. Let's talk about the black bin, very important. Waste which is collected from the patient bedside, like the food item, okay, the food item, or whatever the patient is using it, or whatever the patient is using it, patient usage things, okay, like wrappers, paper, sheets, this all. So this is all about the today's thing that we have talked about, the biomedical waste management. So this is all about today's video. Hope you understand, it is easy to understand. That's all for today. Bye bye, take care, and do hit the like, share and subscribe. See.